Kindly give a big round of applause. Thank you, sir, for this historic unveiling and for championing the cause of rural connectivity and
to our Honorable Chief Minister.
but because of the good work he has done.
Thank you very much, sir. We are so grateful. Thank you for your gracious presence with us today. Our development has been influential and we are thankful for your kind presence. Thank you so much, sir. And welcome to our Archbishop.
What tur? Kalau singa ada. So much Just yesterday I was looking at this. I'll tell one of my team members. I'll do that. Just take sister's number.
Of the district, Miss Mabel Kanta coming here. I now invite Sister Rita Lynn to give a token of appreciation.